Okay, one of the major rules here, let's do this. Okay, one of the major rules here that you always need to pay attention to is the no copying and pasting information from a Microsoft Word document rule. What happens when you do that is when you copy something from Word, you copy all this other information that makes the Word document look the way it looks when you're working on Word, or you make a final document and send it to somebody else. It looks a certain way. It's got bold text, it's got italic text, all these other things. That copies in here, and the way that Word makes it look that way doesn't follow the normal conventions of CSS. In fact, it adds a lot of crazy stuff, and the last thing you want to do is have all that stuff in your site and then have to pay me to go in and fix it at an hourly rate. So I'm telling you up front, do not copy anything from Word and paste it into this section of your site. So what do you do about that? Well, I'm on a Mac, but this process is the same, although we're using a couple different applications. So I'm going to open up a document I have, which is in Pages. Assume this is Word for you, and you copy your text, and then you want to open up a text editor, which is TextEdit on the Mac. I think it's called Notepad in Word. And you want to paste your copy in, and then select it all again, and copy it. And now you can come in here and paste it. So if you don't follow that rule, what happens is your website starts to look pretty crazy on the front end because it's got all of that bad code that Word puts into documents. This also can happen if you're copying and pasting from another website, or copying and pasting from even some documents in Mac applications too. So you always want to run it through your text editor first. Okay? You have been warned. Please do not do that. I've seen it happen many, many times, and I've had to fix it many, many times, and it winds up costing quite a bit. So, okay. If you've got any questions, you can go to my website, andrewricedesign.com, and go to the contact page. It is right here. And you can use that to send me a message. Okay, great. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks.